Hey guys, I'm Marty Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a very awesome case that I just received for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. And keep in mind, this also is available for the Z Fold 4 as well. So what you're going to see here is very similar or almost the same as the Z Fold 4 as well when it comes to design wise and fit and everything. Okay, I've been using my Z Fold for over a year already, and I've got so many cases for it, and a lot of times I love cases that have kickstands, but most of the times, you know, they block the wireless charging feature. I always have to take the back portion off so I can start charging my phone, right? And that's something that, you know, becomes a little bit annoying. But that's where this is actually gonna fix the problem. And also I got a case that can actually hold the pen as well. So this is from SUPCASE, right? I've received this from SUPCASE, a UB Pro, and this is not cheap. This goes for over 80 bucks. But you're gonna see and how cool it actually is. Here is the cover, instructions, and how to use it. Look at that. Instructions there. Bump, bump. You got that. Oh, look at this. They put some extra strips here. Oh, this is cool that they actually put some extra strips there. And you're going to see why that is important. And here is the case, which I love that I got this color. This color looks awesome. It also comes in black and gray and I think green as well. This looks incredible. I love that color. And that's it. I believe that's it. That's all what's in the box. And let's go and take this out. Take this out. And first of all, we want to put the first cover on. Just make sure your phone is actually pretty clean before we start putting the front cover, because the front cover of this phone, right? The front cover of this phone, this right here actually comes with integrated protective screen protector already. So let's go and take this off, and over here is going to peel the back portion off. Bump. And this right here is very important. This will actually make sure that this cover doesn't slip from your phone, because when it slips from your phone a lot, it can actually scratch your screen. So let's go ahead and put it here. We're gonna go ahead and put it, make sure it actually rolls properly. Oh, there you go. Awesome. Did it fit correctly? Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Okay, yes, it did. So there you go. That's how it looks with the front cover on. Awesome. And now we're going to put the back cover, which of course is very nice and soft in the inside. And what's cool about this is that it also has integrated kickstand as well. And man, it looks so badass. And let's go ahead, put this right here. Now, keep in mind, this phone, it's actually, the other day I went to Amazon and I found this phone, the Z Fold 3, for less than $600 cash, okay? Not finance, straight up, $600. Yes, it's renewed, but totally worth it if you like this phone. And I'm telling you, I love this phone. I can't wait to get the Z Fold 5, which should come out next year. There it is. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Awesome. And the cool thing is that we can now carry the pen. Just put the pen right here, like that, just like that. It actually slips in. It won't fall at all, you know, because it's actually grasp right there when you want, and you close it, and that's it. Now you got your pen right there. Look at that. That looks so damn cool. So when you want to use your pen, you can actually, you know, press right here, boop, and your pen comes off. Awesome. That is very good. That is very, very awesome. So that slips like that. This is how it looks from the front, which looks really cool. Right? It looks awesome. Of course, you got the fingerprint over here. Look at that. Awesome. And of course, it has a kickstand, which you can use it like this. You can use it like this. If we open up the phone, you can use it like that. It's very, oh man, nice. It's very nice and sturdy, so you can use it like that. Full screen. Nope, you cannot use it like that. But yeah, you can use it like that. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. And of course, you got the S Pen right there. Awesome. And awesome, the great thing is that most likely, I hope so, yes, it doesn't block the wireless charging. So now I don't have to go to bed and take the back cover off my phone every time I go to bed, because that's how I've been doing most of the times during the whole year that I've been owning this phone. I've been taking the back cover because most of the time the back cover has the kickstand, and of course it blocks the wireless charging. This one does not block the wireless charging. It looks gorgeous. The phone is well protected. It's like rubberized. It's like very hard rubber or silicone or surrounding the phone. You have perfect access there for the fingerprint. You got the volume buttons right here. Perfect. And of course, voila, you got the access for your S Pen, which is awesome. And of course, like I said, this is the Z Fold 3, but it's also available for the Z Fold 4 as well. So I'll leave links for both the Z Fold 3 and the Z Fold 4. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this case and the phone. I can't wait to actually put this case to a lot of work and see how long it actually lasts. It looks gorgeous. Just love it. Love the color. Color looks amazing. And of course, the fact that you got the S Pen there now. Oh yeah, now I can actually use it because I can carry it with me in a proper case. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So yes, I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in getting this case. Till next time. Bye-bye.